So I said last week I would pee, and here's the book it's from. This is my other low-carb cookbook I bought. Let me find it here. I always have trouble finding when I mark these. Okay, so here it is. Now this makes 5 pancakes, but only 1 pancake is a serving. So it makes 5 servings of it. And they actually turned out about the size of silver dollar pancakes. There's all the nutrition things. First I need 2 eggs. There we go. 2 ounces of cream cheese. 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. So I added the vanilla into the eggs, just make it easier. And now I'll just scrape the cream cheese out. Yep, okay, that's enough. And salt. Why does everything stick to these old bowls? Cinnamon. This stuck to it like a magnet. Let me spank it. Coconut flour. I'm going to use a hand mixer. The recipe says if you use a hand mixer to mix it for about 3 minutes. I'm doing it for 3 minutes. Okay, wow, I actually managed to get on camera this time. Watch the smiley face. There we go. Now I grease this and these out. Put these out, scoop these out. I had enough for 4. I made them too big, but just add an extra carb to them. And just wait. Whip them. Okay. Now I shouldn't have done this. This was a mistake here. After they cooked, I'm just going to put some butter on them. Sugar-free syrup. Where is the sugar-free syrup? There it is. Let's taste. Actually, first, let's see how they look. Look like pancakes. They're good. A little dense, though. That's why I shouldn't have pushed them down. But with the syrup and butter, they taste great. Too bad only one of these is a serving. Thanks for watching.